Hi, I'm Rithish. I'm a normal guy who was preparing for CA Foundation September 24 attempt. Today I have planned to make a video of I'm studying. So this is my law study blog. Today I have decided to complete Indian Partnership Act. I won't tell I don't know anything about Indian Partnership Act. I almost know 20% of Indian Partnership Act, but remaining 80% I don't know. So I have to read the Indian Partnership Act without left anything. So my exams was near. Almost my exam was September 13. So like already said, I'm going to prepare for my CM Foundation September attempt. So I'm going to study law. For those who don't know about law, there's a subject called business law in CA Foundation. There are 7 chapters. So Indian Partnership Act is in one chapter I have to complete. So in this video, I will teach you how to study without studying while watching TV. So this is a pro tip of the video. Let's go and study. So this video contains only 3 elements: me, my TV, and my business law book. So I've planned 3 schedules to study. First schedule unit 1. It's just a simple unit. Second unit was on second schedule contains second unit. So that was the main chapter, and third unit. That's the third schedule. So there are 3 schedules. The time was around 4:20. I have to complete this. There are more 8 hours remaining. So I have to complete these 3 chapters in 8 hours. Just let's go and study while watching TV. Let's go and study. After some time I have completed unit 1 of the Indian Partnership Act with taking notes. So there are 2 more schedules remaining, 2 more chapters also remaining. I have to complete 2 more chapters, and there are 7 hours left. Just let's go and study for the remaining chapters. Bye. Yesterday I can't able to complete the Indian Partnership Act because my friends forced me to play cricket, so I can't able to complete the Indian Partnership Act. It's hurting, but I have to complete remaining Indian Partnership Act. But I had a model exam, accounts model exam today. I had got a new haircut, and I have to prepare for my accounts exam. But I don't give a shit about the accounts exam. I am going to prepare for my Indian law. And in the size chapter unit 2 is very big, so I have to complete the unit 2 first. And I had another idea about completing bills of exchange in accounts. So I have to complete bills of exchange and Indian Partnership Act remaining 2 chapters. So this is the day about. So let's go and study. Bye. First, I decided to study accounts bills of exchange. So let's go and study accounts. I have completed the bills of exchange in accounts. I didn't do any sums. I just revised the basics. I just learned the basics and basic journal entries and basic accommodation of bills. That's all important. I have made notes, just a quick revision on some journal entries. I think you guys can see. So let's go and do some sums. So I'm going to study Law, Indian Partnership Act, Unit 2. As I said, I already completed Unit 1. So Unit 2, Relation of Partners is remaining. So let's go and study Unit 2 and get taking notes. Let's go. After some hours, I have completed the Unit 2 of the Indian Partnership Act. So the time is around 1:30 p.m. So my accounts model exam was 2 p.m. that my academy has been conducted.